स्वस्थ शरीर रुद्राक्ष प्रदान करता है, स्वस्थ मन स्फटिक प्रदान करता है और भोलेनाथ की शक्ति अमोघ महामृत्युंजय कवच के साथ इस त्रिशक्ति माला में हमने समाहित की है और आध्यात्मिक साधना सिद्धि केंद्र में इसे निर्मित ही नहीं बल्कि प्राण प्रतिष्ठित भी किया जा रहा है। इस त्रिशक्ति माला से आप अपने जीवन में सुख समृद्धि के साथ साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। इस माला को परिवार का कोई भी सदस्य धारण कर सकता है। इसे धारण करने के कोई परहेज नहीं है, बल्कि इसे धारण करके भोलेनाथ का आशीर्वाद हम सबको मिलेगा। आप अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए इस माला को प्राप्त करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करके आप मंगवा सकते हैं।
Hello my dear friends, Namaskar. My name is Suresh Shribali. Welcome to our channel Astro and Neuro with Shribali. I hope you all are staying at home and taking all the safety measures. Today I will tell you about effect of sun transit, but firstly let me tell you about sun. In Vedic astrology, the sun is called the king of new planets. They are owned by Leo zodiac. In any person's horoscope, the sun reveals the possibilities of respect, success, progress, relationship with father or high position in life. This time, Sun will transit in Taurus between 14th of May to 15th of June, almost 1 month. Now let's open the box of your future along with predictions. I will also suggest some remedies which can give you auspicious results. Let's start with fire, that is Aries. If you take a decision to strengthen the economic side, you will get extra work while doing work from home. This change can cause harshness in your speech. Good communication skill can prove to be the key to your success. The change will be good for the students, those who are studying online. Love life or marital life will be very good. But your partner's health may deteriorate, so take special care of them. Now let's move to Bull, that is Taurus. This change of sun can bring aggression in you and also it can increase problem in your business. You will do your work with great ease, which will also give you good results. There can be good opportunities for the people who want to influence their love. You can bring you can bring yoga and meditation in your lifestyle to bring to being positive at home. Your family life, love life will be normal and you will be able to spend a good quality time with your close ones. Students need to focus on study rather than web series or online games. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. The economic side may weaken slightly due to higher expenses. You are likely to get success in court related matters. If students are preparing for any examination, then give some quality time for your health also. You have to take special care of your health, especially on heart or stomach side. This change will be good for your siblings. There will be a boom in your career. Married people have to take special care of their partner's mental or physical health during this period. Your long distance relationship will get closer by video conference, video chats. Now let's move to crab, that is Cancer. With this change, you will get many opportunities to move forward in life, but work will be in online mode. You need to stay away from any disputes related to court matters or legal issues, especially. Time is good for the job persons. Your superiors will help you while working online. There is a need to keep your ego behind in love life and be in touch with partner. Try to be polite towards your partner. Otherwise, the situation may be the opposite. You will be quite organized and disciplined in your personal life. Now let's move to line that is Leo. You will do your work with dedication, but make sure you should away from any disputes. Traders and investors in medical field can make good profit. This is a time when you will get many opportunities for advancement in digital marketing. You will get delayed response in government, especially government work because of COVID protocols. Students need to study at this time with all their energy and interest. Family life will be very good, but take special care of your partner's health because there is a possibility of feeling ill. Time is normal for married life and love life. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. This is not good time for business persons. You may get loss from national or international sources. Artists may get some unexpected results while doing online shows. You will experience good physical and mental health. Be polite to your partner and family members. You will spend quality time with your friends and loved ones. Father's health may be matter of concern, so take special care of him. Now let's move to skills, that is Libra. There will be an atmosphere of tension and conflict in business due to some minor issues. Your work will increase, but there may be reduction in salary. For the persons who are in management and medical field, you may get success professionally. Your family, your family knots might get stronger and you would have a great time in future. Try to avoid journey during this pandemic situation. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. In business, your opponents and enemies may bother you, be aware of them. For professional growth, you can try to change your job. You will establish your identity at your workplace. Students may face difficulties but work hard for better results. You will gain intelligence, and with the help of that, you will be able to make the right decisions. You will make new friends in month of May through social sites. Your mental and physical health will not be very good, so do yoga and meditation. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. You will dominate your enemies at this time. Business related to hotel, travel, restaurant, food and beverages will get lost, but don't worry and hope for the best. Dear friends, you are likely to get positive results in court related matters. The economic side may remain a bit weak during this time. Keep in mind that your family members may have health related problems. Do pranayam means breathing exercise to improve your health as well. Now let's move to goat, that is Capricorn. Business persons may face financial difficulties, so spend accordingly. You may lose your job. Pay more attention at your workplace. Don't worry and try to finish all your tasks without any fuss. You should not be overdoing something which might turn out to be negative for you. You will spend happy time with your family, friends, or partner. You will try to improve your lifestyle, eating and health habits, and your sleep cycle also. Now let's move to water, that is Aquarius. In business, you can benefit from foreign sources after 22nd of May, so don't miss the chance. There are more chances of profit from telecommunication and digital resources. Students will get their job through their intelligence and skills. You will get financial benefit from your siblings. Those who are in love relationship will share a healthy bond. Avoid any outsider to interference in your personal life, else that might raise an issues. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. Business persons are expected to keep eye on expenses which may affect their profit. Your ability to work will increase and you will be able to perform quite well at the workplace. You will get excellent result working in the field of research. your language style, your communication style will improve gradually. Students will be goal oriented and highly motivated. You will be blooming with new creative ideas and thoughts. You should take good care of your parents' health. Try to do meditation with them. Your sibling may require your support for some work. Now, dear friends, I am suggesting some remedies. These remedies will help you for better future. Feed sweet rice to cow and horse, especially on Sundays. Keep a piece of red cloth in your wallet to avoid financial problems. Apply kumkum tilak on your forehead every day. Grow a rose plant and nurture it. Everyday morning, chant Gayatri Mantra is good for improve the result of sun. Dear friends, if you can, please wear a copper kada or copper ring in your last finger or second last finger. So, dear friends, it was my analysis for sun transit. I wish you all good health and speedy recovery to those who are suffering in the pandemic situation. I will also be available for you to solve your problems, but I would advise stay home, stay safe. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic or video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on given number or drop your queries in the comment box. And for any kind of astrological queries, you can visit www.grahonkakhel.co.in. In the end, all I want to say is take care of your family and friends. Be the support system of close ones. Thanks for watching this video. Best of luck. Namaskar. Bye bye.
स्वस्थ शरीर रुद्राक्ष प्रदान करता है, स्वस्थ मन स्फटिक प्रदान करता है और भोलेनाथ की शक्ति अमोघ महामृत्युंजय कवच के साथ इस त्रिशक्ति माला में हमने समाहित की है और आध्यात्मिक साधना सिद्धि केंद्र में इसे निर्मित ही नहीं बल्कि प्राण प्रतिष्ठित भी किया जा रहा है। इस त्रिशक्ति माला से आप अपने जीवन में सुख समृद्धि के साथ साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। इस माला को परिवार का कोई भी सदस्य धारण कर सकता है। इसे धारण करने के कोई परहेज नहीं है, बल्कि इसे धारण करके भोलेनाथ का आशीर्वाद हम सबको मिलेगा। आप अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए इस माला को प्राप्त करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करके आप मंगवा सकते हैं।